Here in the Treasure Valley, it was another hazy day. We're all wondering how soon before the smoke leaves us.
Unfortunately, it's not going to leave anytime soon. And as we take a look at this live shot, looking over the Boise Depot, you can see just how much smoke there is. Again, looking at that live shot, you really can barely even see that the Boise Depot, but I promise it is there. That is from all of these fires up here in the Pacific Northwest. And tomorrow we're going to notice some winds coming from the northwest, coming in, pushing a dry front, and it's also going to bring a cold front with it as well. Now that's going to drop down temperatures into the 80s, but it's also going to bring with winds and breeze up to 30 miles per hour. Now that's not going to be good for all of those fires up there. As we take a look at the air quality right now, unfortunately, we are in the red across the board. In Boise, McCall, Idaho City, and Twin Falls, they've issued a red quality air warning, which means that if really nobody should be outside. We are going to be experiencing a cooler weekend, but if you can, stay inside. As we take a look at this radar, you can still see that there is that air quality down here in Boise, all those smoky skies. And then we also have a red flag warning regarding fires over here in Washington, Oregon, northern Idaho, and into Montana. Because of those breezy conditions and then that low humidity, we could really see some fires, or any fires that are burning now are going to spread. We've so far experienced a high of 90 and a low of 61 degrees. That's pretty standard for about normal. Right now it's 89 degrees and 59 for the low. Much cooler than that 103-degree high, and I can promise you it's not going to get near that these next couple of days. Right now across the Treasure Valley, we're seeing temperatures in the low 90s, 90 degrees in Boise, Nampa, and Caldwell, 91 in Mountain Home, and 80 degrees in McCall. Let's take a look at our regional forecast for tomorrow. We can expect to see sunny skies much like today, but it's going to stay smoky as well. 83 degrees down south. Sun Valley is going to be about 77 degrees. As we make our way over into the mountains, temperatures are going to be in the mid 70s, about 75 degrees in McCall. As we head on south down to Payette, it's going to be about 87 as well. As we look across the Treasure Valley, temperatures are going to be in the mid 80s. Again, it's going to be sunny, but much cooler than it was today. Temperatures in the mid 80s in Boise as well, 83 degrees in Idaho City, and 88 degrees in Mountain Home. So let's recap and take a look at that extended forecast. Tomorrow, things are going to start to turn windy, like I said earlier. Temperature is going to drop down to about 86 degrees, 83 degrees by Saturday, but by Sunday, things are going to heat on up back to 94. Temperatures will stay that way until Tuesday, and on Wednesday, we can expect to see more clouds, and temperatures are going to drop into the mid-80s. Up in the mountains, we're going to see that same kind of trend. On Friday, things are going to turn windy. Temperatures are going to stay in the mid-70s until Sunday. Things will warm up by then. On Tuesday, we can expect to see a 30% chance of showers in the afternoon, and those showers may even continue until Wednesday. Temperatures will drop into the high 70s, and they'll stay that way for the rest of the week.
But that's the first forecast I've seen in a while that actually has some clouds and maybe some showers in it.
I know, yeah.
That's encouraging.
Exactly. I mean, and again, not for the next 5 to 7 days. And here in the Treasure Valley, we probably won't be seeing much rain at all. But up in the mountains, there is that chance. So.
It's something.
Exactly.
All right. Thanks,
Sierra.